5 reasons your Volvo S60 headlights are not working in Decatur. At night, the headlights on your Volvo are responsible for showing road objects. During the day, your headlights make your car easier for other drivers to see at bad weather. For many reasons, the headlights of your Volvo S60 are not working efficiently. When it comes to solving any headlight problems, consult with a mechanic ASAP. The below points define the reasons behind damaged headlights in Volvo S60. Broken headlight switch. Due to the broken headlight switch, the headlights of the car stopped working. In this case, the switch could wear out and simply not turn on the headlights at all. Corroded headlight socket. Headlight is plugged into a socket where electrical connections are made. Thus, the socket becomes corroded and affect the functions of headlights due to loose connection, moisture in the socket, bad ground in the circuit. Replacement of new headlights. Many vehicles on the road today have halogen headlight bulbs with 2 filaments. If one of these headlights stops working, then you have to replace them immediately. Worn headlight wiring. In a Volvo, the automotive wiring is designed to be highly durable. If you found worn wiring in the headlights, consult a local authorized dealer. Bad headlight fuse. Headlights have a fuse in the circuit to prevent too much electricity from reaching the bulb. If the fuse goes bad, you likely won't have any functioning headlights at all in Volvo. Conclusion. Apart from the above points, other reasons also affect the functions of headlights. Bring your Volvo S60 to a reputed mechanic for inspecting and replacing the headlights.